What is going on, fellow scavengers? We are going to come at you today with a quick little update and the announcement of our beta version 1.14 release. We just hit it on the servers last night, and we wanted to make a quick video kind of showing everyone that's maybe been away for a while or that has been new to Scavenger Bots, so you can kind of see what we've been working on in the back. I know it's been a little while since you guys have seen an update, but rest assured we have been busy and the developers have been working around the clock trying to get these changes out to you, and we're just going to show you a quick little overview of some of the recent changes that are coming out in beta 1.14, which is currently live on the Scavenger Bot. So if you're logged into your account over here, the first thing you're going to notice is it looks a little different in a good way. So I have some examples here so you can see what it looks like when a bot is on and off. The left bot is currently live and running. The right bot is off, and you can see that by the kind of black and white appearance. That lets you know that the account's there, but you have it disconnected. You can see there's all this new stuff in here. You can see how many contracts you're running by, what the percentage risk is, your current balance, and that value in US dollars, and your risk level. Now, up here, you're going to see the other things that were in the old version. They just kind of moved. This would be to destroy your bot. This would be to stop your bot. And this is where you're going to go in to get more settings. So if you click on the cogwheel, you're going to see the new user settings area that is being developed. Now, at this moment, all we have is risk adjustment. So you can come in here and you're able to tweak your risk based off of how big your balance is. And I mean, you can get right up to 5%, which is critical risk, and really don't, unless you know what you're doing and you're really watching it, I wouldn't recommend it. Right down to medium or low risk. And then once you go back, you're going to see it reflect here. Now, you can see there's a little teaser here for some of the stuff that we're working on in the back. So in the future, we're going to be rolling these out in, a little bit quicker than we had in the past. So you're going to see these additional settings roll out, over time, maybe one at a time, a few at a time. You're going to have position entry, which is actually now live, and I'm going to go over that in this video as well. Trend analysis, take profit, percent change protection, the smart channel, like all this stuff is going to be adjustable for you, and stop loss. Now, that's it. This is going to be fixed. There's still couple little minor UI bugs with the beta release, but that's what a beta's all about, right? And if you guys hadn't noticed this, if you were using the old UI from when we first launched, this is now changed too. There is now new stuff being added, like my account. You can come in here and you'll be able to access your account, your credits, and your invoices, stuff like that. And you can actually make a prepay amount now. If you put it in here, it'll create an invoice for you to send a payment here. So that's all with the payment stuff. So that's new, but if you've been using it, you know how that goes. And the newest thing that we've done is we have added entry protection in version 1.14. We had a soft launch of it basically over the last 2 weeks that we were trying, and now we actually had to do some recalculations. Thanks, shout out to Helmy for pointing out that we were actually using an incorrect calculation. And now if you pull this up on TradingView, you'll be able to see when the bot is looking to make an entry. So what we are using is Stoke RSI on the hourly candle, and this is just to make it extra safe mode right now. Like the thought is we're trying to increase the chances of price movement in your favor as much as we can, because we know all the user settings aren't done yet. So we're making it as conservative as possible for you as a user by trying to buy on something that we know has a good indication that if this is low, most likely there will be a correction, which is what we're playing off of. So on the short, what you can see is what we're doing here is we're looking to buy if RSI D, stochastic RSI, the D wave is below 25, you're going to be in a buy range. So this area you'd be looking to buy, this area you'd be looking to buy, this area. And if it's above 75, you'd be looking to sell. So anytime it's up here, you'd be looking to enter a short positions. And anytime it's down here, the bot will be looking to open a new long position. Now, if you're already in a position, it's going to buy just like it would any other time. So it's not going to care what your price action is up here. It's only going to use the smart channel and percent change to kind of counteract that. But if you are not in a position, so say you sell a position here, it's going to say, should we look to re-enter yet? Yes, boom, and it'll re-enter. And then say up here, you sell out of, it spikes and you sell out. It's not going to try to re-enter here because that wouldn't be a good play, and we're not going to do that. So as you break that up into over time, there are way more candles in here. So for every hour candle, there's 60-minute candles. So just think of it that way. So you might think this will be very restricting, but not as restricting as you might think, and not as restrictive as you might think. And we think it's like a good change right now while we're in beta and new users are coming in and trying to understand exactly what's happening. But that's all I got for today. Just kind of wanted to give you guys a quick overview of the recent update. And if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below or come over to the Discord. We always have open discussions over there, and we have a great support team that will answer any of your questions throughout the day. So hit the thumbs up button if you're excited about the new beta version, and we'll see you in the next video.